Today, you will learn how to wrap text around a table in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. By default, when you insert a table in Microsoft Word, the text stays above and below the table. But sometimes you want the text to flow around the table. This makes your document look more clean and professional. First, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure you already have a table inserted. Now, right-click on the table. From the menu, click on Table Properties. A new window will open. Make sure you're on the Table tab. At the bottom, you will see a section called Text Wrapping. By default, it is set to None. Now select Around. Then click OK. As soon as you click OK, you will notice that the text starts wrapping around your table. Now your table can sit beside the text instead of pushing everything above and below. Now let's make it even better. After applying text wrapping, you can move the table freely. Just click on the table handle, then drag it to any position in your document. The text will automatically adjust around it. But sometimes the layout may not look perfect. Don't worry, you can easily fix that. Again, right-click the table and go back to Table Properties. At the top, you will see an option called Size. Here you can adjust the width of your table precisely. Below that, you can change the alignment to left, center, or right. Now let's explore some advanced but easy options. Click on the Positioning button. This option appears when you select Around. A new window will open where you can control the exact position of your table. Here you can set horizontal position relative to page, margin, or column, set vertical position relative to paragraph or page, and adjust the distance between the table and text from all sides. For example, if the text looks too close to the table, you can increase the spacing from the left or right. There are also extra options at the bottom. You can choose to move the table with text or keep it fixed in one place. You can also allow overlapping if you are working with multiple tables. After making changes, click OK. That's it. Very simple. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to learn Microsoft Word easily. See you in the next easy tutorial.